Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. My name is Janae if you are new, and if you're one of my lovely subscribers, hey girl, hey. So y'all see the title of the video. We're doing a little bit of a different type of wig review, but we are reviewing this beautiful Vivica A. Fox unit. So y'all want to know the tea on this unit? Y'all already know the deal. As always, honey, go grab a snack, take a seat, and let's get into this video. Y'all know I have reviewed so many units of the Vivica A. Fox collection, and I would like to review their units sometime because I feel like their wigs are definitely underrated. They have some very good units that I think a lot of people don't actually take the time and review or purchase. So I like to be the one to step outside the box of like purchasing from typical brands like Outre and other brands like that. So this particular unit is super nice. It does have some things to it where when I first took it out and styled it, it did have a little bit of a shading to it. This is a week old unit. A week old, girl. She is a week old today. I have washed her. I have curled her based on the curl temperature that it recommends on the unit. You may already be seeing how a side by side how it looks when I initially took it out the package. Girl, like literally at this point I'm trying to see, do I need to start co-washing my synthetic units, because I feel like she aged better than I expected her to, because normally y'all know I'll do the unit, show you how I style it, and bam, come to the camera, do a little cute little model pose, and that's it. So today I want to do something different. I want to actually wear the wig. I want to wash the wig. I want to use the wig. Took time and wore it. Honestly, like the look that it has now in comparison to when you first get it. Because when you first get it, it does have a little bit of a different kind of texture to it. This part is more so straight and this part is more so curly. But I seen the potential into it, so I actually cut layers into it and I curled it. And of course, I co-washed it because I wanted to see, based on the instruction that was on the little package, how does it wash? And it was super easy to wash. It wasn't hard. Even when I washed it, brushed it out, it's super soft. Of course, because it's a little bit longer, it does get a little snagging here and there towards the end. But honey, I don't need you in my head anyway. Don't keep your hands and feet and objects to yourself. So that part don't really bother me, because normally I take my unit off at the end of the day. And even with this unit, I think the perfect thing about it, you can probably even wear it with a little claw clip, and you know, real versatile. So I didn't glue her down. I'm really just thinking about this year, a lot of my bust down units or my middle part units being more so a glueless unit for me, because with those you are limited to the way that you can style it. So I'm just gonna keep it very simple and just like do it as a glueless method. So again, this is very easy, very beginner friendly. She does age very well. I actually like her better this way than when she came. So she is available on Ebony line around $30-something. I'm gonna also link down below one of my favorite YouTubers that review units. She actually reviewed the unit straight out the box if you want to see that as well. But this one is a little bit more aged, so I just want to show you guys how it looks. I've seen videos that show her straight out the package, but no one actually gave like an update on the unit. So I just want to give you guys an updated version of the unit. And yeah, y'all already know the deal. I just want to thank you guys so much for showing me mad love on all my social media platforms. I'm going to make sure I link them down below. And don't forget to tell someone that you care about that you love them. Until next time.